I sent a hamburger to space for less than $1,000. Let me explain. Going to space is expensive. It costs millions. So my friends and I did something crazy. We bought a giant weather balloon, filled it with helium gas, and attached a box to it. Inside of it, we put a phone with a GPS, a GoPro camera, and for fun, we put a burger in front of it. Then we let the helium balloon float all the way up. It reached an altitude of 100,000 feet. At some point, the balloon pops, and we go to find the GoPro 100 miles away using the phone's GPS.
Stuck in the tree, I mean.
This is how you can film space for less than $1,000. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.